This journey started in 2018 when the founding members of NUST AirWorks took part in the IMechE UAS Challenge 2018, winning the Media Engagement and Highest Entrant Awards. As final year students, they decided to recruit young members and assemble a team to participate next year and be the Grand Champions of UAS 2019. With the new team, we started training and testing on past designs. After months of research and hard work and countless iterations, tests, and trials, our new designs were ready. Introducing NUST and introducing UQAB. First flight for NUST was successful. And so was UQAB's. During testing, both NUST and UQAB's mission flights were carried out successfully. But after all the success came a horrific day. Just 20 days before the competition, NUST crashed in a nosedive, completely destroying the plane. We thought the worst was over, but just 2 days before the competition, we were hit with the worst blow we could imagine, the crash of UQAB. With the crash went our dream of being the Grand Champions, but we didn't give up. The final part of our journey had started. We flew from Karachi to London. Proud students of NUST PNEC, we were ready to represent our country. Finally, we were here at the IMechE UAS Challenge 2019. With terrible weather and heavy rain, we set camp and unpacked and got to work. We successfully cleared the scrutineering rounds for both the drones we were ready to fly. Both flights of NUST AirWorks were completed successfully, and we waited for the final results.
The winner of the Grand Championship of 2019 is NUST. Woo!
And finally, we had won the Grand Champions Award for the IMechE UAS Challenge 2019.